The video is about factoring general trinomial. So the objectives, at the end of this video, you should be able to 1. Factor general trinomials. Then 2. Solve problems involving factors of polynomials. So what is GT or general trinomial? So general trinomials are in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c and can be factored as the product of two binomials. So quadratic trinomials are in the form of x squared plus bx plus c, which is equal to quantity x plus m times quantity x plus n, where m times n is equal to c and m plus n is equal to b. So when we say quadratic trinomial, it is a trinomial or polynomial whose degree is equal to 2 or the highest exponent of the variable is equal to 2. Note that if trinomial is not a perfect square trinomial, it is not a square of a binomial. And general trinomial is equal to the product of two different binomials. Quadratic trinomials where a is equal to 1. So ax squared plus bx plus c. So we need to set up the factors in the form of like this and find two integers whose product is c and whose sum is b. So the factorization is x squared plus bx plus c is equal to quantity x plus m times quantity x plus n. So we need to use FOIL method to check the factors. And note that if the trinomial cannot be factored or not factorable, we called it as prime polynomial. So let's practice. So bago tayo mag-factor ng general trinomials, so review natin yung signs. Kapag last term natin ay positive at ang middle term natin ay positive din, pareho silang positive or yung dalawang factors na hinahanap natin ay parehong positive. Kapag ang last term natin ay positive and ang middle term natin ay negative, pareho silang negative. Then, kapag ang last term ay negative at ang middle term ay positive, si bigger number, susundin niya si middle term. So, si bigger number positive, smaller number ay negative. Pero kapag naman last term ay negative, magkaiba sila ng sign, then si middle term ay negative. So, si bigger number naman ay negative ngayon, then magiging positive naman si smaller number. So the given is x squared plus 5x plus 6. So the last term is positive, therefore pareho ng sign yung nahanap nating factors. So pareho silang tingin tayo sa middle term. So positive, therefore pareho silang positive. So ano ang factors ng 6 na kapag inad 5 ang sagot? So we have 3 and 2. Therefore the factors are from x squared, we have x and x. For 6, we have positive 3 and positive 2. So, let us check using the FOIL method. First terms, so we have x squared. Outer terms, we have positive 2x. And inner terms, we have positive 3x. Last terms, we have positive 6. So, x squared plus 5x plus 6, which is our original trinomial. So the given is m squared minus 12m plus 20. So the last term is positive again. Therefore, pareho sila ng sign. So, parehong tingin tayo sa middle term which is negative. Therefore, pareho silang negative. So, ano ang factors ni 20 na kapag inad, 12 ang magiging sagot? So, we have 10 and 2. Therefore, the factors are from m squared, we have m and m. From 20, we have negative 10 and negative 2. So, FOIL method for checking. So, m times m squared for the first terms. Outer terms, we have m times negative 2, therefore negative 2m. Inner terms, we have negative 10 times m, so negative 10m. And last terms, we have negative 10 times negative 2, which is positive 20. So we have m squared. So negative 12m, then positive 20, which is our original trinomial. So the given is a squared plus 3a minus 18. So the last term is negative. Therefore, magkaiba ng sign yung dalawang numbers na hinahanap natin. So, paano natin malalaman kung sino si positive at kung sino si negative? So, si bigger number, ang susundin niya, si middle term. So, kung si bigger number ay positive, si smaller number ay negative. So, punta na tayo kay 18. Anong factors ni 18? Na kapag naman minus ngayon, kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Kapag minus, ang magiging sagot ay 3. So, ang dalawang numbers na yun ay 6 and 3. 6 times 3, the answer is 18. 6 minus 3, the answer is 3. So, the complete factors are a plus 6, then a minus 3. So, si a and a nanggaling kay a squared. Si positive 6 and negative 3 nanggaling kay negative 18. So, check ulit natin gamit ang FOIL method. So, first terms, we have a squared. Outer terms, we have negative 3a. Inner terms, we have positive 6a. Then, last terms, we have negative 18. So, we have a squared. Combining similar terms, we have positive 3a minus 18, which is our original trinomial. The given is y squared minus 12y minus 45. So, the last term is, again, negative. Therefore, yung dalawang numbers na hinahanap natin, magkaiba ng sign. So, sino or ano ang sign ni bigger number? Tingin ulit tayo kay middle term. So, si middle term ay negative, therefore, si bigger number ay negative din. Si smaller number ang positive ngayon. So, punta tayo kay 45. Anong factors ni 45 na kapag minus 12 ang magiging sagot? So, we have 15 and 3. 15 times 3, 45. 15 minus 3, 12. So, the complete factors are y minus 15 times y plus 3. So, FOIL method again for checking. So, first terms, y times y, we have y squared. Outer terms, we have positive 3y. Inner terms, we have negative 15y. And last terms, we have negative 45. So, we have y squared. Complete or combine similar terms, we have negative 12y. Then, negative 45, which are given trinomial. So, the given is 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. So, this is a general trinomial where a is greater than 1. So, meron tayong numerical coefficient na 2 dun sa ating first term. So, the same pa rin naman ang rules ng sign. So, tingin tayo sa last term, which is positive. Therefore, pareho sila ng sign. Pareho silang positive kasi positive yung middle term natin. But, meron tayong mga bagong steps. So, yung unang step natin is multiply the first term or numerical coefficient of the first term sa last term natin na 4. So, 2 times 4, when being multiplied, the answer is 8. So, ngayon, isip tayo ng factors ni 8 na kapag inad, ang magiging sagot ay si 9. So, we have 8 and 1. Therefore, we have x plus 8 and x plus 1. So, tapos na ba? Hindi pa. Kasi, kapag ginawa natin to or minultiply natin to using the FOIL method, hindi ito ang magiging kalalabasan ng trinomial. So, meron pa tayong gagawin na susunod na step. And that is, yung numerical coefficient ng first term natin, gagawin natin siyang divisor ng dalawang number na nakuha natin kanina. So, 8 divided by 2, then 1 divided by 2. Again, yung dalawang 2 na to or yung 2 na to ay nanggaling dito sa numerical coefficient ng first term. So, simplify natin 8 divided by 2. So, the answer is 4. Therefore, we have x plus 4. How about 1 divided by 2? So, hindi siya pwede. Therefore, yung denominator natin na 2, ilalagay natin sa unahan. So, magiging 2x plus 1. So, again, yung denominator kanina, ginawa natin, ilagay natin dito sa unahan. Ngayon, check natin kung tama yung nakuha nating factors using FOIL method. So, using FOIL method, first term, x times 2x, we have 2x squared. Then, outer terms, we have x times 1, so x. Then, 4 times 2x, we have 8x for the inner terms. Then, for the last terms, we have 4 times 1, which is positive 4. So, 2x squared, x plus 8x, meaning 9x plus 4, which is our original trinomial. So, the given is 8m squared minus 17m plus 2. So, the last term is positive, therefore, pareho sila ng sign. Look at the middle term. So, pareho silang negative. So, again, multiply the first term of the trinomial to the last term of the trinomial. So, yung numerical coefficient nung first term dun sa number sa huling term. So, 8 times 2, the answer is 16. So, isip tayo ng factors ni 16 na kapag inad, ang magiging sagot ay si 17. So, ang tamang sagot ay 16 tsaka 1. Because 16 times 1 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Then, write this as binomial factor. So, we have m minus 16, then m minus 1. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. We need 8 as divisor of these two numbers. So, 16 divided by 8, then 1 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8, the answer is 2. Therefore, m minus 2. Then, 1 divided by 8, hindi pwede. So, si 8 na divisor natin or denominator natin, lalagay natin sa unahan, magiging 8m minus 1. So, let us check using FOIL method. First terms, m times 8m is 8m squared. Outer terms, m times negative 1 is negative 1m or simply negative m. Then, inner terms, we have negative 2 times 8m, so negative 16m. Then, last terms, we have negative 2 times negative 1, which is positive 2. So, 8m squared. Then, combine similar terms, we have negative 1 plus negative 16m, negative 17m, then plus 2. So, ito yung original trinomial natin. So, the given is 10a squared plus 13a minus 3. So, again, the last term is negative. Therefore, magkaiba sila ng sign. So, si bigger number, ang susundin niya na sign ay si middle term. So, kung ito ay positive, si smaller number ay negative. Then, multiply natin yung numerical coefficient ng first term natin sa last term natin na 3. So, 10 times 3, the answer is 30. So, anong factors ni 30 na kapag minus, ay 13 ang sagot. Bakit minus? Kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. So, factors ni 30, na kapag minus, ang magiging sagot ay 13. So, we have 15 and 2. So, 15 times 2, 30. 15 minus 2, 13. So, we have A plus 15, then A minus 2. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. We need 10 as the divisor of these two numbers. So, we have 15 over 10 and 2 over 10. So, 15 over 10, hindi siya pwedeng i-divide, but we can simplify this as 3 over 2. So, it will become A plus 3 over 2. And since meron pa rin siyang divisor, etong 2 ilalagay natin sa unahan. So, magiging 2A plus 3. How about this one? So, 2 over 10, hindi rin siya pwedeng i-divide, but we can simplify this as 1 over 5. So, magiging A minus 1 over 5. Meron pa rin denominator or divisor. So, etong 5 ilalagay natin sa unahan ng A. So, magiging 5A minus 1. So, let us check kung tama yung nakuha nating factors by using the FOIL method. So, first terms, we have 2A times 5A, we have 10A squared. Outer terms, 2A times negative 1 is negative 2A. Then, inner terms, we have positive 3 times 5A, positive 15A. And positive 3 and negative 1 for the last terms, we have negative 3. So, we have 10A squared. Then, combine these two, we have positive 13A minus 3, which is our original trinomial. So, the given is 2y squared minus 3y minus 20. So, the last term is negative, so magkaiba sila ng sign. Si bigger number, ang susundin niya na sign ay si middle term, which is negative. Therefore, smaller number is positive. So, again, numerical coefficient ng first term na 2, i-multiply sa last term na 20. 2 times 20, the answer is 40. Ano ang factors ni 40 na kapag minus or sinubtract, ang magiging sagot ay 3? Bakit subtraction? Because magkaiba sila ng sign. So, factors ni 40 na kapag sinubtract, ang magiging sagot ay 3. We have 8 and 5. So, we have y minus 8, then y plus 5. So, si 2, yung numerical coefficient ng ating first term, gagamitin natin siyang divisor or denominator ng ating dalawang numbers. So, 8 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2. So, 8 divided by 2, pwede siya. So, the answer is 4. Therefore, magiging y minus 4. Then, dito naman sa kabila, 5 over 2 or 5 divided by 2, hindi siya pwede. So, yung denominator natin na 2, ilalagay natin sa unahan ng y, magiging 2y plus 5. So, let us check kung tama yung nakuha nating factors using the FOIL method. So, y times 2y for the first term. So, we have 2y squared. Then, outer terms, we have y times 5. So, positive 5y. Inner terms, negative 4 times 2y. We have negative 8y. Then, last terms, we have negative 4 and 5. The answer is negative 20. So, 2y squared. Combine similar terms, we have 5y and negative 8y. So, we have negative 3y minus 20, which is our original trinomial.